Hey everybody, it's Friday. We made it through the week. What a week it's been here. A lot of rain early in the week. Still love bugs, but not as bad now. And today is car rotation day. So we're going to be moving some vehicles around the shop. And we'll show you what we're going to be doing with the GMC Sierra. Stay tuned.
Alright, I'm going back in.
Pearl side it.
Okay, I'll lower mine down more.
No, hang on a sec. Let me look, Pearl. No, man, we're good.
Daryl.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take her.
All right, I'm going to drop it just a little bit more, Kevin.
You got that. Why is the one side of this box higher? Unless the arm is up higher.
It's all right.
No, it can't be. They're even, bro.
Yeah, it's 50.
This side is a little lower, but it's the arm.
Just ratcheted them all.
Yeah, you look at here, Earl. We got clearance all the way. If you come straight.
Yeah, I'm gonna go straight back. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Just keep it straight.
Okay.
Yeah, and listen, and you gotta watch the front of the car or back of the cab.
Alright. I'm good.
Keep on coming, Earl. Keep coming. See, once the nose comes up, the back settles down.
Right there, good. Keep going.
Now we got a ton of clearance. All right, Earl, stop. Touch your wheel to the right, Earl. There you go.
Keep coming. Hold it right there. Alright, we're 6 inches from the touching the cab.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get real close to the cab so we clear the bumper.
Okay. Nice and easy.
You tell them, Hank.
I got it. Keep going. Right there. Stop.
All right, how far off?
Yeah. Okay. So you
I don't know
want
when you
to
put it in
that?
the mark, it would shift this off.
All right, guys. Hang on.
Go easy.
Okay, ready? Hang on. I'm adding pressure now. Okay.
Yep. All right, keep coming.
You okay?
Yeah, I just want to get to where this doesn't get fucked up. Alright, good.
All right, stop, Earl. I know.
Yeah, let's relax a little bit.
You know what? Lift her up just a hair, Earl, just so we got a little more.
All right, hang on. Coming up in here.
That's good. Yeah, I can get it under there.
You're gonna have to jack. Go ahead. Tumbling this off the ground. Here you go. Jack actually needs to try.
Okay. Let me see where we're at on your side. Okay, that's pretty good. All right.
Jacking off.
All right, bro.
Are you ready?
Quit jacking off.
Do me a favor, watch your corner over there.
I'm good on mine.
I'm watching this corner here,
Yeah.
okay?
That's all
But I
I need.
can't watch what Hank's doing.
I got it.
All right,
I
ready?
can control it.
Clear.
Okay, that's good. We're still good over here.
I'm good on mine.
We're good here?
Yeah.
All right, Kevin, check the back of the cab on the driver's side.
Hang on a sec. I gotta let this thing.
Hank's looking really good. Hank's got good clearance on this
Yeah, I
side.
got a lot of clearance over
Yeah,
here.
you've got more. Okay, ready? Clear?
Let me push her.
Everybody
All right,
ready?
hey, don't push no more, you don't.
Okay, I just gotta get my clearance on the
Ready?
back here. Go ahead.
Okay, stop right there. I'm lined up on mine. If you
We're
wanna
lined up
fucking-
over here.
If you want to give me a bolt, I'll thread it.
Hold on 1 second, I gotta
Hold
get
on.
this just a hair, Earl.
Go ahead.
You gotta pull this plastic out, and I'm gonna nudge, just give it a little nudge up underneath here. There it is, perfect. All right, let's get these things out of here.
Because we're hard down in the back.
All right, I'm set now.
Yeah, okay, good. We
Let me
can-
hold on. Let me do the driver's side though.
All right. Don't get hurt, man.
Pull them all the way out, Earl. Then I'll reach.
Oh, okay, that's it. You're right. The fucking driver's side. The driver's side is lower. That's why we were touching already.
So today, truck bed is on. We're pretty happy. Just got to run out and get some transmission fluid for the service tomorrow. Get some 3157 bulbs for the back. Put the tail lights in. Daytime running lamps, will get those put in too. See if I can get the camera to go. There we go. Daytime running lamps. We got to get these wires fixed. They all go bad. But that's it. A couple little things to tidy up on this particular truck, and we're good. Look
It's a duck.
What are you doing?
See the little duck?
It's a duck.
I think there's a lake right there. Quack, quack.
It's a cutie.